welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. I do a lot of street shopping videos, online shopping hauls and lookbooks and even beauty reviews. So if you guys have been watching my videos for long, then you guys know that I love exploring different places, especially street shopping places and budget friendly places. So today I went to a store in Amirpet and it's a small boutique, and recently like a couple of months back I did a video on embroidery blouses and like work blouses which are quite affordable. So many of you guys found it useful. So I thought I'll make it into a series. So along with the street shopping videos, I'll be exploring these smaller shops and boutiques also. And I have a lot of places on my mind, but if you know more, do leave them in the comments below. So in Amirpet, I actually wanted to explore 2-3 different stores, but I didn't want to throw too much information in one video. So I went to this one particular store, and I'll leave the Google Maps link in the description box. It's a very small store, but you'll find a lot of different products and for quite affordable prices. I think it's called Sairam Fashions, but I'll leave the exact name here, and I'll also leave their Instagram handle. So if you're not from Hyderabad, also if you WhatsApp them, they said they'll be able to courier you guys the products. So this store has a lot of embroidered blouses and work blouses that you can check out. You can totally wear them for parties and functions and even for weddings. They have different types of models. A lot of you guys have been asking me for off-shoulder blouses which can look like crop tops, and blouses which can be worn on like simple saris too. And there's several other options, and they have a lot of traditional looking blouses. I'll insert some clips here so that you can have a look. And they have these blouses in different price ranges, starting from about 350 rupees to 800-900 rupees. For one of those last minute fixes, you can head there and get yourself a blouse. And of course, you can wear it as a crop top, or you can wear it on like half sari or even saris. And they've stocked up some dress materials, and some of them had these gotapati work and some silver work. These materials are so beautiful. It's net, and it has these small butterfly looking ones, which I thought was very different. They also have some Banaras materials, and they have some dupattas, and they have some affordable dupattas in the price range of 300-400 too. So I really like this gotapati work material, which you can wear as dupatta, or you can get it stitched into blouses or even crop tops or peplum tops. So I explored a little bit and I checked out everything in the store, and finally ended up picking some of these things. So this is one of the butterfly looking material which I was talking about. Just look at this. This looks so pretty, and I got 2.5 meters, so I can wear this as a dupatta. But you can totally get yourself material for like a skirt. You can make it into a very beautiful lehenga or a skirt, or you can also make it into a peplum top. I got this peach color. It has these butterflies with some gold work here. It looks very beautiful, and they also have a lot of colors in this. I really like the pastel green, and they have pink and navy blue and few other colors. You can make it into one of those baby doll dresses with a little bit of frill, and it would look so elegant and so pretty. You can even make a long gown out of it. It would look so beautiful, and believe me, I've never seen something like this. So I do check out places like Narsingh and Singhanias usually, and Narsingh is quite an affordable place, but I've never seen something like this, and Singhanias is a little bit expensive. And now I got this really beautiful blue color material. I got 2.5 meters of this as well because I wanted to make it a dupatta. It has very beautiful silver work here, and this one's also available in so many different colors. There was a very beautiful yellow which I was almost planning to take. It would look great on a white Georgette chikankari kurta, or you can even pair it with a contrast kurta like yellow or pink, and it would look really nice. With the right dress and right accessories and some really nice jutis, you can totally wear this for like a small Sangeet party or an engagement party, and this looks really beautiful. A little ahead of this store, I saw an accessory store called Shriya. It is right next to Rayalaseema Ruchulu, and this place had a lot of beautiful accessories in very affordable price range too. And they had a lot of colorful bangles, so I thought I'll get something that will match my dupatta. So I picked up these threaded bangles in blue color to go with my dress. So that is it. Those are the two things which I picked up from this particular store, and I'll leave all the details in the description box so that you can check them out. And if you have any other ideas for me, or if you have any other particular stores that you would like me to check out, do let me know in the comments below. So Amirpet is one area which I'm quite familiar with because that's where I grew up, like most of my college and all that. So I do know a lot of places that side. But apart from that, if you would like me to check out any other street shopping places or any such affordable places which have some different collections collection, then do let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely go explore them. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on any videos. I do a lot of street shopping hauls, online shopping, lookbooks, and so many other videos. So make sure that you're subscribed. And I'll also leave my Instagram handle here, and I post a lot of OOTD pictures and mini reviews and all that. So do find me there as well, and we can stay connected that way. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.